Hey folks, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors for the middle of April. Here we are, Wednesday, April the 15th, and it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So what are we up to? Well, just figured I'd come and show you guys all the snow we still have here. We're currently sitting at plus 9 degrees right now. Barometer's dropping and calling for rain, and then snow by the weekend again. So you guys can see the ski hill back there. We still got a lot of snow on the hill. The geese are here. Very little area for them to land and to eat, but they are coming in. The robins are here, also looking for places to nest. So I just walked through snow here. It's about a foot deep at least. If you get out into the bush, the snow is still anywhere from knee deep to waist deep. So where the sun shines all day, if and when we ever get sun here in Thunder Bay, it melts quick and it gets extremely warm. So yeah, like I say, the geese are coming. Lots of them are moving in, hoping to get ready to nest and have their babies and what they normally do. As I say, the snow's still deep. I got my big boots on and it is wet underneath here. Like, this is just totally wet underneath. It's all water underneath the snow. Let's just see if we can't get down to the pond here. Once again, the ski hill up there. Lots of snow yet on the hill. Looking around here. So like I say, it's plus 9 degrees centigrade right now. I think we're supposed to go down to -2 tonight. Chance of rain, maybe freezing rain, of course, freezing drizzle. And they say we could see some snow by the weekend again. Snow flurries. Probably no real accumulation here for April. But we have tapped some maples. Temperatures though are not the greatest with regards to maple sap flow. You've got to have that +5 during the day, -5 at night consistently, and we are not seeing that yet. But we got some more time to go. I want to say hello to Uncle Gunther out there. I'm sure you're watching. You usually do, and you usually make comment. So here's the flying cobras. Not sure what to do other than have a poop right there. Oh, they're sinking in. Oh my gosh, sinking in the slush there. The like I said, the robins are here. Robins are busy looking for places to nest. They're busy singing. The grackles and the blackbirds are back as well. All right, so spring is here, sort of, kinda. Hey guys, what's happening? Anyway, I just wanted to come out for a quick walk. It's been a while. I've had very little time to play radio for you guys. I'm hoping here pretty soon I can get back on track and do some radio videos. and some other stuff that I'm behind on. I'm still working on some of our canoe videos from our canoe trips, and a boat trip into White Otter. So still working on that stuff, but just been extremely busy here. So look at that poor guy, girl, sinking in the snow, but nowhere to go. Like normally, not normally, but I mean, there should be a lot more grass, a lot more bare areas for these guys to land. The Cam River, there's some places where they could go to get on the river, but this is normally open too, and this is where they hang out, and they do nest along the edge here of the pond. But there's a lot of water in this pond this year so far. We've had a lot of rain, and we did get a lot of snow this year, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, folks, like I said, I just want to take you out for a quick walk and say hello, see what's happening, and just show you guys that here we are, like I say, middle of April, and we still have snow on the ground, and we may see some more snow. So take care, folks. Stay safe. Watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. YQT. This is Fred. Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima. 7-3, folks. Take care. Stay safe.